2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, security alarm, heated steering wheel, trip computer, electronic stability control, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.